That's a beautiful piece of beef. And I feel like beef after eating that. Let's get some raw chicken in me. Raw chicken pieces always beautiful. My body, 77% salmon Nutella right now. And it makes my body feel good. We all know that our body, our physical body, is being built from the things we consume. But nobody really thinks what that means. Like it has to be the case. But when you think about it like that, your body is built from these things that you eat. Like, what kind of body will you get if you eat leaves and grass and green plants? You wanna feel and smell like a grass? Be my guest, homeboy. What type of body will you get if you only eat man-made fruits? You can try that one. But what is closest to our bodies in terms of food? What's the closest thing? The most similar thing we can eat that turns into us the easiest. What is the most digestible foods? There's this folk wisdom or just common sense that people back in the day used to tell. Like for example, if you are having liver problems, you should eat liver. If you're having brain problems, you should eat brain. And as a kid, I really didn't get it, but right now I get it 100%. Because if you eat liver, it's the closest thing in terms of nutrition and what it's made out of to your own liver. So it's probably the easiest thing for your body to absorb into it. If you think about it, if your brain ain't working, what's the best thing to eat for your brain? Well, the animals' brains have the most similar structure or content of nutrients that your own brain got. It's basically the same shit. So your brain is gonna get all that, what it needs, the best, from the animal's brain. Now you could talk about, if you think about it like this, then human beings would be the best for us to eat. But that's kinda crazy. That means all-out warfare. But what are these high-level one-eye people doing? What is the purest form of animal flesh with the least amount of toxicity? Is it the mature animal that's living a good old life for years? Is that tissue? The healthiest, the best for us to eat, with the most amount of nutrition and least amount of toxicity in it? Mature animal or young animals? Wheels, cows. The meat looks completely different. Which one is more pure? Brian Johnson, that longevity freak, is injecting himself with his son's blood to make himself feel and look younger. That's pretty much the only good thing he's done with his blueprint protocol that actually works. Why do these people do what they do with the young ones? For example, this is raw milk from a cow, but some people don't handle it that well. But some of those people can handle raw goat's milk a lot better. Why is that? Well, it turns out raw goat milk way more similar to human woman's milk that the mother gives to her child. Goat's milk much more similar. Man, that's good. This is some fresher raw milk. No kefir yet, but I got my kefir brewing there. So, talking about the kefir, the bacteria, salmon Nutella, where the hell has it been? It's been freaking 175 days I've been to East Beach. Where the hell has it been? Or I'm just built different. Maybe both, bruh. Talking about bacteria, we have way more bacteria than our own human cells in our bodies. And bacteria can make or break us. And what has happened the past decades with all this hygiene shit? Was it right when the COVID hit a couple years ago? Do these things, all 6 feet distance are there? Was that some brilliant ideas or some bullshit? Bacteria makes or breaks us. Why is it when our gut microbiome gets all fucked up, we start to have all these diseases? What the hell is going on with that? I thought raw milk was bad. You cannot even sell it in stores in most countries. Even though we all drink raw milk, hopefully. Like, hopefully we all drink raw milk from our mother's titties when we are born. Like every single animal does in this realm. But the bacteria in it can be real dangerous for you. That's one of the biggest mind tricks they did. Just another Jedi mind trick on your ass to make you weak as a motherfucker. At least we got this. But if you know, you know. Nobody can take it from you. That's why, when you know, there's no brainwashing left anymore. You block that shit real easy, and you can see through it with that clarity, with that 20/20 vision. Yeah, the next one does. But